Welcome to Putty and Paint. Today is day 2 of getting after the roof. The materials were delivered. Now my guys are in the back and they're working on the torch down. As far as I'm concerned, I'm not going to be doing much because this is all on them. I don't trust myself to do that because of the fireplace. Possibility of leaking everywhere. I've already done the patio once and it failed miserably. So I figured I better let this part off to the professionals because, yeah, I can lay shingles, but I can't lay torch down. It's kind of tough. Yeah, I'm hoping they're gonna let me record. I don't know. So far so good. I see they got the drip edge on there. I wanna see how this goes, man. I'm gonna go see. Let's get after it, huh?
Pull it back. Oh, you cut it? It's kind of hot. How did you cut it? I won't mess it up.
Looking legit. See, boys and girls, that's how you're supposed to do it.
Oh, don't make a massacre on me. No massacre on me.
Yeah. Yeah, you're me? How you hold it? Oh, right now. I still gotta put another one up. You still gonna...
You want to use that for here?
What happened?
You want to put the new rope?
No, pull right here. I'm gonna this one back there. Oh, no, this one right here. Put it piece of this shit. Oh yeah. Put out paper. This guy don't got any gloves. Oh man, you want some gloves, Hoss? This is right here.
Hey, you're good.
Had a baby. This is how far we're gonna go up in this. Dude, and those guys killed it. They came right through here and they ripped on this roof a total of like maybe 5 hours, and they got it done. I mean, look at this. Look at this. They got into the fireplace, did the torch down, comes up, folds in, then they cut a bead around into the stucco all the way around and tucked in the flashing over the folded torch down. I mean, this thing, if it leaks, I mean, I'm just gonna tear the whole house down. Screw it, because this is flipping ridiculous. They did such a damn good job. Damn good job. I hope the rest of the roof comes out like this. Honestly, dude, if I would had half a brain, I'd just say, screw it. Hey, how much you guys want to finish the rest of this roof? But holy crap. It came out so sweet. So sweet. I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Next video coming up is gonna be us doing the roof. And I hope you enjoy it, man. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know how you guys feel about our videos, man. I mean, this will only be the third one, but you know, we all got to start somewhere, right? And all the little feedback helps out. You guys, we'll catch you later, huh? See ya.